this is a hypnosis to stop eating unhealthy foods. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, whatever you prefer. And let's have a few deep breaths together. Inhale, exhale. Letting all the pressure of the day leave your body. Inhale, exhale. And one more. Inhale, exhale. Seeing how all the pressures of the day washed away. With your eyes open, I want that you look up at the ceiling, towards the crown of your head, as up as you can. Just look up at the ceiling for a few seconds, because this position of your eyes starts sending alpha waves to your brain, and it makes easier for you to relax. While you are looking up, let your eyes blink. Yes, start blinking, and with each blink you are going to be feeling more relaxed and more at ease. Just blink a few times. Let your lashes flutter for a bit. And with this same position of looking up, you are going to close your eyes. Inhale, and when you exhale, you're going to mentally repeat and visualize the number 3 times. Inhale, and when you exhale, you're going to mentally repeat and visualize the number 2 3 times. Inhale, and when you exhale, you're going to mentally repeat and visualize the number 1 3 times. To get into a deeper state of relaxation, you're going to imagine in front of you a black curtain. Just imagine it, that there is a black curtain in front of you. On the right of the black curtain, there is a box. And on this box, there are white, shiny numbers from 10 to 1. No matter in what number you are, visualize the number 1. And with the number 1, you are now completely relaxed. See in front of you a screen. It can be as big or as small as your imagination wants. This screen is positioned slightly higher on the level of the horizon. And on that screen, there is a movie playing. Have a look. Come closer to the screen. Inside the screen is you, waking up in the morning with the realization and the feeling that you always make healthy choices. You're gonna get out of bed being full of energy and vitality and feeling better than before. And you're gonna make your breakfast knowing that you will only eat healthy choices. Your mind loves healthy eating. Your body loves healthy eating. You have always been healthy. You don't like unhealthy food, highly processed food, highly sugared food. You always make the healthier choice because you love it. On the screen, you are seeing the story of your life, going through your day, starting to work, feeling happy, having some wins at work, and you celebrate with healthy food because you have always celebrated it with healthy food. You're gonna continue working, you are beginning to feel a little bit tired, but you are gonna bring energy into your body with healthy food because you have always made healthy choices. That's right, your healthy self making healthy choices through the day. Repeat mentally with me. I always choose healthy food. I never have cravings for anything else. I choose health, energy, vitality, and happiness. I have never been interested in unhealthy food. Healthy food is not for me. It doesn't even cross my mind during the day to have something unhealthy to eat because I find it absolutely disgusting. Continue watching the movie of your day where you are just healthy, making healthy choices every second of the day. That's right. See your evening with your loved ones. You have finished work or on your own at home. See, continue feeling great, making healthy choices. That's right. Your healthy self always making healthy choices. I'm gonna count now from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you're gonna open your eyes feeling better than before, knowing that you always make healthy choices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me on this hypnosis, and may your day be filled with love, happiness, and abundance.